cover in a click. 5 pop-up and heavy-duty canopies for parties, markets, and shade on the go. First, 1 Yarfix Outdoor Instant Canopy with Carrying Bag, approximate $130 to $220. Portable and practical, 1 Yarfix Instant Canopy pops up quickly and packs into a carry bag for easy transport. It's a go-to for weekend markets, beach days, or backyard shade thanks to a simple frame and lightweight cover. If you need fast shelter that's beginner-friendly and stows compactly between uses, this instant canopy delivers convenience without heavy lifting. Second, a Crown Shades Commercial Canopy with removable sidewalls, approximate $180 to $260. Built for frequent use, Crown Shades Commercial model has a reinforced frame and removable sidewalls for wind and privacy control. Its heavy-duty construction suits vendors, events, and extended outdoor setups where durability matters. Sidewalls add weather protection and a tidy enclosure for booths or private gatherings, a smart choice for small businesses and festival use. Third, 10 by 10 canopy with sidewalls for parties, approximate $150 to $240. A balanced party solution, a 10 by 10 footprint with sidewalls creates an enclosed area for food, seating, or greeting guests. These kits typically include stakes and guy lines for extra stability and offer enough coverage for medium pool parties or garden events. Choose this when you want an all-around entertaining shelter that's both social and protective. Fourth, Yahitech 1 Push Heavy Duty Instant Canopy, approximate $170 to $260. 1 push setup and reinforced joints make Yahitech's canopy quick to erect and resilient under sunlight or light wind. The heavy-duty frame holds up well to repeated use, and the 1 push mechanism means 2 people can have shade ready in minutes. It's ideal for families, community events, or vendors who value speed and sturdiness. Fifth, Crown Shades Patented Outdoor Portable Canopy, approximate $130